Good morning. We're going to start in on this Monday morning with comparing fractions. We did that a little bit on Friday, and we're going to continue on with that today. Our target is we're going to use strategies to compare fractions with the same or different denominators. Let's look at our first example. We're asked to compare 5/6 versus 3/6. So a couple things to notice here first. One is that our denominators are the same. All right, so this is a very different situation. Things to keep in mind. Think about the signs we're going to use: less than, greater than, equal to. You've been using those for a long time. Second is look at the numbers and the relationships between your numerators and denominator. Okay, if you have the same denominators, you can just look at the numerators and see which number is bigger. Also, we talked about benchmarking, and we did that last Thursday, and just how close is this to zero? Not very close. How close is it to a half? This one's a half. And then how close is it to a whole? Pretty close. So getting an idea about how big it is. Sometimes it helps to make a model. So you can see that I'm going to have models here. That's my 3/6 model. Notice the same number of parts. Both are divided into 6. So now it's just a matter of figuring out, okay, 5 is bigger than 3. You could also use your fraction number lines and just find them. Imagine it's just like you start your reading. You're going to start on the left side and work to the right. I always like to think of it as like these two fractions are running a race. And if they start here, they start on the 6. When I say stop, who's going to be further ahead? Well, we can see that 5/6 is going to be here, but 3/6 is only going to be here when we said stop. So 5/6 would be further ahead, and we'd put in the greater than sign, saying that 5/6 is bigger than 3/6. All right, watch the next video because we're going to see a situation where our denominators are a little bit different, and then what we're going to have to do. Because remember, when they're the same like this, we can just look at our numerators and say, oh, well, I know 5 is bigger than 3.